In question number 4, it is given that 30 women were examined. 30 women means summation of Fi will come 30. 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and number of heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. So find the mean heartbeat per minute for these women choosing a suitable method. So now frequency Fi is given 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, 4, 2. So first we will find xi. Okay, so what we can do, 68 minus 65 by 2, that is 3 by 2, that is 1.5. So this 1.5 we can add in each of the lower limit to get class mark. So 65 plus 1.5 means 66.5 will come, isn't it? Then 69.5, then 72.5, and see now one pattern is there, isn't it? 3 difference is there. So what 3, you can add 3 in previous class mark to get next class mark also, or you can just add 1.5 in each lower limit. So 78.5, 81.5 and 84.5. This is your class mark. Now if you observe, class mark are very large and Fi into Xi will give larger value. So we will avoid using direct method. Now here we can use assume mean method also and step deviation. So in assume mean method, these value will be reduced to a smaller value at some extent. Okay, but in step deviation it can be completely reduced. So we'll go with step deviation method. So for that we should find ui. Ui is what? Xi minus a by h. For that a you should suppose here. So now count the number of observation. It is 7. So fourth value, because above this value 3 observations are there, below these 3 observations are there. So this you can select as a value. So a value is 75.5, that is assume mean. Now how will you find ui? By using this formula you can find, or in front of this you write 0, then above minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, below 1, 2 and 3. Like this you can write. You can verify by using this formula, you will get these values. Okay, 66 minus 5 minus 75.5 divided by h. H means class size, that is 3. Lower upper limit minus lower limit will give h. H is class size. So you will get these values. Okay, then FIUI. FIUI means these two columns we should multiply. Now see, values are very small. We can multiply easily. So 2 into minus 3 minus 6, minus 8, minus 3, 0, 7, 8 and 6. Now we'll find total here. Since it is already given that these are the heartbeats of the 30 women, so sigma Fi is 30. Total we can find here for FIUI only. Okay, so 6 will go. We are adding all these terms. Okay, so 8 minus 8 will go, 7 minus 3 only, 4 will be left. Fi is 30 only and A we have supposed as 75.5. So we will write a step deviation formula. So according to that, A plus sigma FIUI divided by sigma Fi into H will come. So A is what? 75.5. FIUI is 4 divided by sigma Fi is 30 into H. H is what? Class size, 68 minus 65, 3. So what we can write here, this 3 will go, 4 by 10 means 0.4. So answer will be 75.9. So this is your mean.